I was recently scrolling through Facebook in a very productive way, strictly for work purposes, and I came across this post. Now, my initial reaction when I see these types of ads isn't great, really. I mean, they've got that real get-rich-quick type feel about them, so I usually don't pay too much attention and just keep scrolling. But when I see some like this that have got a bit of engagement and that have got quite a few comments, often I'll stop just to read the comments and see what's going on. So I click the button, expand out the comments, and that's where things get interesting. Check out the comments. You'll notice they're extremely negative. I mean, they're all saying things like spam, scam, all that type of stuff. I mean, this guy is getting roasted. Now, that's a pretty good indication that obviously there are some big problems with this ad. If you're trying to use Facebook ads to grow your business, you don't want to be like this guy. The first way to avoid it is to stop making big, unrealistic promises like this. If you look at this post, you can see right there, he's got the screenshot with the 6 figures of Shopify income and all that stuff in there. And then he's promising this amazing value for free, you know, claiming that it's worth more than a whatever dollar course. The problem with it is people see this and they know straight away that this person is most likely not going to be able to deliver on all of that free value that they're claiming. They know that nothing truly is free, and the way this ad looks just makes it look shady. That's why these types of ads, particularly those in the biz ops space, but it applies to any type of ads that have massive promises that are generally outside the realm of what people see as possible, get a lot of negative feedback, and they don't do well. And so these comments, I mean, for this person or for any advertiser, if you're seeing comments like this, it's an indicator that you really need to change up the ad, that you really need to change up the approach, start running some completely different ads that don't look like, well, let's just call it what it is, spam. Now, the next really important thing to do is tap that like button if you're enjoying this video. It makes a huge difference to the YouTube algorithm and helps get this video in front of more people, and I really do appreciate it when you do that. But seriously, the other thing that this person clearly isn't doing is monitoring the comments on their ads, and that's a huge mistake. If you're running ads, you really should be monitoring the comments closely. And it's not just to clean up comments like the ones you see here. More importantly, it's because you will be getting comments where people are just asking genuine questions about whatever it is you're promoting. Or maybe they'll be leaving insightful, thoughtful comments. And you need to be engaging with those people and replying to them and participating in the comments on your ads if you want to see better performance. So the practice of monitoring comments, cleaning up spam comments and things that don't need to be there, and replying to actual legit comments, I call it ad hygiene. And if you're not practicing good ad hygiene, you run the risk of running ads like this, where I think this person doesn't even realize that they've got so much negativity building up in the comments section. And often what happens is you start to get some negativity and it spirals out of control as well. So you do need to keep it nice and clean. In this case, this ad's got worse hygiene than Charlie Sheen at the end of a 2-week bender. So here's how you do it. To monitor comments, you can just go straight into the ad manager, go to your ad, click on the edit tab, then click share, and under see post, you'll see Facebook post with comments. That's going to bring up the actual ad or post itself. You can scroll down, see the comments, and you can moderate them that way. You can also do this on Instagram by clicking that see post on Instagram button. And if you are running ads on the Instagram placements, you should definitely be doing that as well. So on a daily basis, I like to check these, go in and hide any comments that are spam or unnecessary, and also reply to that positive engagement as well. The problem is, once you start running lots of ads, this can get really messy and difficult to track. Going through 20, 30, 40 ads or even more and monitoring the comments every day gets really, really tough. So when I'm running at a larger scale, I like to use a third-party tool to help me monitor comments. Before I share my favorite tool for monitoring comments, did you know that I share a tool recommendation in my newsletter every single week? That's along with marketing tips and tricks to help you become a better Facebook advertiser and just a better digital marketer in general. So if you're not on that newsletter, make sure you click the link in the description below this video. Sign up for that after you finish watching. Now, for monitoring comments at scale, I like to use a tool called Agora Pulse. They don't sponsor this video or anything like that. I just genuinely like the tool, and I'll put a link to it in the description as well. But basically what Agora Pulse will let you do is it gives you a consolidated feed of all the comments coming in from all of your different ads. So you can simply open up Agora Pulse, look at the list of comments from your ads and go through and curate them, reply to all the comments from within the tool, and it's all done in a matter of minutes versus going through each individual ad separately. When you're running at scale, it's a huge time saver. So this is just one common mistake that I see people making with their Facebook and Instagram ads. If you want to learn about more of the common mistakes I see so you can avoid them, check out this video next. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time. Bye.